it yet. Hello. 345 says 10 is nowhere to be found. Exactly. Good luck. Faith, hello. 10. Dorian, stop using gas pedal. Which one? Are you talking about front one or last one? Left or right? Gas pedal. Guys, let's continue. Good luck. Faith, hello. 10x on a cash hand. Maybe that time actually to get that. Guys, Badoom! You're awesome. Did you know that? Okay, Alpha. Now we can do that in about... Wait, what we decided? About cactuses, I guess. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, first good thing that we have 100x's, also 75x's, but we're adding a 10x on top of it. Look at that. Hey. Good. So, guys, in the meantime, 1000x is the highest possible win here. Decide what to do. Soon you're going to shoot that. Maybe you have your strategy. Maybe you have already your lucky icon. But, well, just get ready for that. That was last. Okay, yeah, Alpha, I don't know. Maybe we will... Murphy's Law didn't work. Maybe we will choose different icons. I don't know. I still doubting about everything what I told before. Okay, I'm gonna choose the last cactus. The last cactus, the second row, the last one. Guys, I don't know what you chose, but I really hope maybe I created the magnificent new strategy and the last cactus is gonna give 1000x. I chose that too. Okay, revealing. We all want to know what is they're located, and I guess we already accept this wall. Yeah, come on. Abracadabra. Boom. Okay, I will leave it that. 200x, last cactus worked. Enjoy, guys. Congratulations to all of you. Special compliments to everyone who found a 1000x. You're beautiful. And that's an 8,137 victories. Thanks, you're the top winner. Countdown. And RS, I feel you. I wish that your actually message, let's say, will come straight. Because we haven't seen number 10. The whole session long. We didn't get it yet. Hello. 345 says 10 is nowhere to be found. Exactly. 15x on a cash hand. But also we haven't seen a cash hand for a while. No, is it? Oh yeah. Guys, let's go. We did it. Come on, baby. That's what we've been talking about. Welcome everyone, and finally when I cash out, you know what? I'm so excited. I guess you too. Because we have a 15x in it. From the top slot, isn't it? Yeah, already. Well, that's fantastic. We got it. Right now, guys, here we go. We have a bunch of everything, but 1500x is the highest multiplier, which you can find easily. I really hope that it's going to be easy for some of you of finding 1500x, guys. Have a blast. And again, don't forget that the icon's not connected to the multipliers. So if you have some lucky icon, or maybe you're using some strategy, well, this is a perfect time to do it right now. I'm gonna choose mine. Oh. Right, let it be. I will stick with the last duck, as always. Last duck, the lowest row, 75x. Guys, but we have 29 people with 1,500x. If you got it, enjoy. 5,039 victories. Flong, you're the top one. Congratulations.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore.